Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for advertisement. Canva is an incredibly powerful and user-friendly tool that empowers anyone to create stunning visual ads, even without prior design experience. You can access thousands of professionally designed templates, making it simple to start. Plus, its vast library of stock photos, graphics, and fonts provides endless creative possibilities to make your advertisements truly stand out and capture your audience's attention effectively. Once you are in Canva, the design process is straightforward. Begin by selecting a template that perfectly suits your brand and campaign objectives. Then, personalize every element, from text and colors to images, ensuring it reflects your unique brand identity. Remember to keep your ad copy concise and always include a clear call to action. Strive for visual consistency across all your advertising efforts for a cohesive brand message. To create truly effective advertisements, focus on a few key elements. Always use high-quality visuals that immediately grab your audience's attention. Craft compelling headlines that clearly communicate your main message within just a few words. Crucially, include a strong call to action, like shop now or learn more, guiding your audience on what to do next. Finally, optimize your ads' dimensions and content for each specific platform. After perfecting your advertisement, it is time to export and publish it. Canva allows you to download your finished ad in various formats, such as JPG, PNG, or PDF. Always ensure the file size and resolution meet the specific requirements of your chosen advertising platform. If available, you can even schedule your ad campaigns directly through integrated tools. Remember to continuously monitor your ads' performance and make adjustments for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.